Today we're in Saidnaya in Syria, in a town which is considered second to Jerusalem in terms of Christian pilgrimages. In this town, obviously, you will also see fig trees growing around, such as these two fig trees. And if you travel across Syria, you'll find different types of fig trees. What is interesting is this is the ideal climate for these trees in terms of optimization of taste. As an example, these two trees have tasted some figs and they were quite excellent. And if you look at the landscape around, it's quite desertic, and so you'll see a few fig trees growing around. In winter also, there's snow in this area, and this is a mountainous area. We're about 27 kilometers from Damascus, the capital of Syria. And now if we go back at those two trees here, what's interesting, there's one, as you see, doesn't have any leaves. It seemed to be dead, but it's definitely alive. I took some figs from it. On the surface, they were quite dry, but within the inside, they were quite sweet and were excellent fig trees. If we just take one here, see, and let's take this one, yeah. Let's try to open it. It seemed to be, yeah, this one seems to be really dry. Okay, well, at least I'll show it, but I think I picked the wrong one here if you look at it. It's definitely really dry. So if you can see it, yeah. Okay, so this one's not exactly the one I wanted to pick, but I can tell you it tastes the other ones that were great. Let's have a look at the other one here, which is quite actually live. It has small figs, and they were really great. It's one of the best figs I've ever tasted. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see this one here. Alright, so let's open it here. Let's see if I can do it. So, as you can see, it has actually a honey inside. It's pretty much like you're eating jam outside of a fig. It's really great, sweet, and tender. And this is the kind of fig that you're looking for if you want to taste. It's obviously small, as you can see on the image, but it's really good. And yeah, it's really good. So definitely recommend it if you're out in the area. Highly recommend tasting out some figs. If you're obviously you have to be here in season in Syria. And there's quite a different varieties. Unfortunately, in North America, we don't have the list of what the varieties are here, but it's definitely something very interesting if you're ever here in Syria.